is me Kainat Baloch and welcome again to my YouTube channel, where in this video we are not going to discuss anything special. Neither I will teach you any kind of topic. In this video we will just gossip. Yes, I will answer some common questions, some common comments that I have every time got in my almost every video. So I will just answer those comments that people ask me, that are being asked commonly almost in my every video. Yeah, and I thought that I should answer now. Yeah, I thought that I should answer, and for that I am making this video. Like and subscribe my channel. So let's move towards those comments. So first comment is a very common comment that everyone asks, that are you Baloch? Can you speak Balochi? Do you live in Balochistan? I just want to clear this doubt from everyone's mind that yes, I am Baloch. I mean, I do not live in Balochistan. I live in Sindh and I love with Sindh. But I can speak Balochi fluently. Do you know how? Because it's my native language. Yeah, I can speak it like a native speaker. Why? It's my native language. So let me convert few sentences from English to Balochi. Because of, telling you all and making you all sure that I can speak it. So in Balochi, we don't say I go to school. In Balochi we say Ma Schoola Raga. I don't know, are you people getting what I'm trying to say or not, but it does not matter. It could be challenging for you all to get, but doesn't matter. And next sentence is this, that I am cooking meat. Ma bhadiye charanga. I am reading books. Ma kitabam padega. So it looks like, it sounds like different, right? You people must never have heard this language, but this is literally good. It's literally good because it's my native language. Okay, so this is the common comment that everyone comments every time, that are you Baloch? So I have cleared this doubt that yeah, I am Baloch, but I'm Sindhi Baloch. After that, second question that everyone asks is this, that how you improved your English. Seriously, it was not easy for me initially when I took the stage of improving my English. It was not like that as it is right now for me. I was unaware from the little and single word of English while speaking in the initial stage. But then step by step, day by day, as I started spending days with English, I learned it. I practiced a lot. On YouTube, that you are going to learn English in just a month, you are going to learn English in just a week. This is all, fake. Nothing like this is going to happen to you. Nothing magically is going to happen to you. What you will all have to do will be practice. You will have to practice a lot for speaking English. If I tell you, then I practiced a lot. So whenever I speak to myself, everyone say to me that what you are doing all the time, just like doing this is not a good hobby. People will consider something bad about you. Stop, saying whatever you are saying to yourself. So it was not easy for me to learn English. Neither it is easy for you. It's not easy for anything. Neither is it easy for anybody. If someone of you want to speak English like a pro and improve it like a native speaker, you will have to practice a lot. I am just giving you the things that I have done. I'm just going to tell you the tips right now to improve your English in just a jiffy. For improving English, collect words, and for collecting words, read and listen. Number second, listen a lot. Number third, read a lot. Number fourth is speak a lot, because of course you have to speak. So for speaking, you will have to speak. I mean, how will you practice? Your question is arising, how will you practice? For practicing, you will have to speak. And for speaking, you will have to speak. And for speaking, you will have to practice. And you know very well that for practicing, you will have to speak. So, I have improved my English in this way, like this. So thanks, and don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thanks.